Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when an iPhone says unavailable try again in 8 hours. Maybe your device suddenly shuts down, and then after turning on, it shows iPhone unavailable try again in 8 hours. Perhaps you enter the incorrect passcode several times and the device becomes unavailable and keeps telling you to wait from 1 minute to 8 hours now before retrying. As a result, you don't get the screen with a keyboard to put in passcode and iPhone is locked for 8 hours. If you have no idea how to remove the unavailable screen and unlock the device, here are a few steps you can attempt. Why is your iPhone unavailable for 8 hours? The unavailable screen is used to deter thieves from accessing the phone data and privacy. It often occurs after too many failed unlocking tries are made. It doesn't matter if your iPhone locks itself for 8 hours after several wrong passcode inputs or no attempts. Here are a few methods you can check. We'll show you how to fix iPhone unavailable try again in 8 hours step by step. They will work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Step 1. Just wait 8 hours. If you think you know the correct passcode, wait 8 hours to let the unavailable screen go away. If the timer on the unavailable screen gets stuck at 8 hours or 7 hours 58 minutes and doesn't go down, try to turn off the phone, reinsert the SIM card and turn it back on. Once the iPhone unavailable try after 8 hours message disappears, input the passcode and your device should be unlocked if the code is correct. If not, your iPhone will show the unavailable screen again without a timer. Just move to the next solution to fix. Step 2. Reset passcode changed within 72 hours. In iOS 17 or later, passcode reset feature will be embedded with iPhone unavailable screen. With it, users can change the passcode that's been recently set up within 72 hours. If your iPhone is running iOS 17 or newer, it can help you maintain access to your iPhone when you forget the new passcode and iPhone says it is unavailable try again in 8 hours. Let me show you how to do that. On the 8 hours unavailable screen, tap Forgot Passcode from the bottom right corner. Tap Reset iPhone Passcode. Enter the previous passcode as prompted. After it verifies the passcode you enter is right, set up a new passcode. Enter it again and your iPhone will unlock soon without showing the iPhone unavailable for 8 hours. Step 3. Erase everything on the unavailable screen. If there is no option allowing you to change the passcode and you don't remember the correct passcode, consider resetting the device. Simply, the reset can be easily triggered on the unavailable screen. All that's required is the linked Apple ID password and a stable internet connection. Let me show you how to do that, the instructions of which might vary on different iOS versions. In an iPhone running iOS between 15.2 and 16, at the bottom right corner, tap Erase iPhone. Tap Erase iPhone at the security lockout screen that follows. Input the Apple ID password and confirm to erase everything on your iPhone to fix iPhone unavailable 8 hours. In an iPhone running iOS 17 or later, at the bottom right corner, tap Forgot Passcode. Tap Start iPhone Reset at the next screen that follows. Input the Apple ID password and confirm to erase everything on your iPhone to fix iPhone unavailable 8 hours. As long as your device is connected to a stable cellular or Wi-Fi network, the erase process will complete within a few minutes. When your iPhone boots up and shows the hello screen, it means you managed to get iPhone out of 8 hours unavailable mode. Step 4. Reset iPhone using a computer. Your iPhone has factory installed a technique named recovery mode for troubleshooting and restoration. It's usually used in solving software problems, but it's helpful when your iPhone is saying iPhone unavailable try again in 8 hours. To enter recovery mode, you'll need to connect the phone to a computer, install and open iTunes, Apple devices app or Finder there, and press a combination of buttons on the device. Let me show you how to do that if you're not sure what to do. Download, install and run iTunes, Apple devices app or Finder. Attach your iPhone to the computer firmly through a USB cable. Next, follow instructions designated for your specific iPhone model to enter recovery mode. If you have an iPhone 8 or newer models, press volume up button then release, press volume down button then release, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. If you have an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down button and the side button for a while until you see the recovery mode screen. If you have an iPhone 6s and older models, press and hold both the home button and the side, or top, button for a while until it shows the recovery mode screen. It might be a little complicated to follow, so it's okay to try again if you fail. After you get in, keep the phone connected and head to the computer screen. There, a dialog box with Update and Restore will appear. To unlock an iPhone that shows iPhone unavailable, try again in 8 hours, click the Restore button. Then, click Restore and Update. Click Next, click Agree, and the restore process will start. The restore might take at least 1 hour to finish. Pay attention to the phone every 15 minutes as it'll leave recovery mode after each 15 minutes. When that happens, all you need to do is to just press the specific buttons to go into recovery mode again. When your iPhone boots up and shows the hello screen, it means you managed to get iPhone out of 8 hours unavailable mode. Step 5. Erase iPhone remotely using a browser or Find My app. When you enable Find My function on your iPhone, your phone can be remotely located through iCloud.com or Find My app. Based on that, you're allowed to do some actions on iPhone. Performing a restore is one of them, which can save you when the iPhone has locked you out for 8 hours safely. Let me show you how to do that through logging into iCloud.com. If you have another iPhone or iPad nearby, you can do almost the same in the Find My app. Alright, first, open Google or other browsers you frequently use. Type iCloud.com and go ahead. Next, to log in iCloud, enter the 8 hours unavailable iPhone's Apple ID and password. It'll ask you to enter the two-factor authentication code if it's enabled. Once getting in, scroll down a little bit to find and select the green Find iPhone option. In the next page, all the devices linked with a current account will show up. Select the iPhone where you see the iPhone unavailable try again in 8 hours alert. Choose Erase this iPhone, confirm to erase, and finish the following steps. The process also requires your iPhone to have stable cellular data or Wi-Fi connection to continue. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help bypass iPhone unavailable try again in 8 hours screen. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.